Join me as I take on the challenge of fertilizing my young avocado trees using only organic methods. Can I help them thrive? In this video, you'll learn effective organic farming methods to fertilize young avocado trees, ensuring they thrive and produce bountiful yields. Many gardeners struggle with finding the right fertilization techniques for young avocado trees, which can lead to stunted growth and poor fruiting. Avocado trees require a delicate balance of nutrients to grow strong and healthy, but common fertilizers can be harsh on these young trees. Without proper fertilization, your avocado tree may become weak and susceptible to disease. Failing to address these issues can result in reduced fruit production or even tree death. This is why it's essential to adopt organic methods that promote healthy growth and minimize environmental harm. One of the main reasons gardeners struggle with avocado tree fertilization is the lack of understanding about the tree's nutritional needs. Avocado trees require a mix of macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as micronutrients like iron and zinc. Without these essential nutrients, the tree's growth will suffer and it may eventually die. We'll explore various organic fertilizers, their benefits, and the optimal timing for application, along with tips on how to apply them correctly. Organic fertilizers are a great alternative to synthetic options because they promote healthy soil biota and improve soil structure. This results in stronger, more resilient trees that are better equipped to handle environmental stresses. Compost is an excellent organic fertilizer for avocado trees. Rich in nutrients, compost helps to improve soil structure, increase water retention, and support beneficial microorganisms. You can make your own compost using food scraps, leaves, and other organic materials. Worm composting is another great option, as it's rich in micronutrients and can be easily applied to the soil. Manure tea is another effective organic fertilizer for avocado trees. This liquid fertilizer is made by steeping animal manure in water, creating a nutrient-rich solution that can be applied directly to the soil. Manure tea is a great way to provide beneficial microbes to the soil, which helps to break down organic matter and make nutrients available to the tree. Bokashi is a unique organic fertilizer that uses microorganisms to ferment organic matter. This process creates a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer that can be applied to the soil. Bokashi is a great option for avocado trees because it promotes healthy soil biota and can help to neutralize soil pH. Discover the secret ingredient that can elevate your avocado tree's health and productivity, setting your garden apart from others. Banana peels are a surprising organic fertilizer that can provide essential nutrients to avocado trees. Rich in potassium, banana peels can help to promote healthy fruit production and improve overall tree health. Simply bury banana peels around the base of the tree and let them break down naturally. Another secret ingredient is Epsom salt, which provides essential magnesium and sulfur to avocado trees. These micronutrients are vital for healthy tree growth and fruit production. Simply sprinkle Epsom salt around the base of the tree and water it in well. To take your avocado tree's health to the next level, try incorporating cover cropping into your fertilization routine. Cover crops like legumes and grasses help to add organic matter to the soil, reduce soil erosion, and provide habitat for beneficial insects. These benefits can help to improve soil health, reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers, and promote healthy tree growth. To recap, You've learned about the best organic fertilizers, application methods, and how they can enhance the growth of your young avocado trees. If you found this guide helpful, watch our next video on common avocado tree pests and how to manage them, and share your thoughts in the comments below.